Welcome back to the Basics Hub. It's that magical time of year again. Christmas is just around the corner. Today, I'm super excited to share some amazing DIY hacks and creative projects that will bring holiday cheer to your home. From scented candles to edible ornaments, we've got everything you need to make this season special. Let's dive in. First up, let's create some adorable snowman scented candles. These festive candles not only look cute but also smell amazing. Here's what you'll need. White wax, your favorite essential oils like peppermint or cinnamon, and some snowman molds. Step 1. Melt the wax using a double boiler or microwave. Step 2. Once melted, mix in your essential oils. The more, the merrier. Step 3. Pour the wax into your molds and let them cool completely. Step 4. Once cooled, pop them out and add a little scarf made from fabric scraps for that charming touch. Next, let's make some beautiful edible Christmas ornaments. These not only look great on the tree, but are also delicious treats. Step 1. In a bowl, mix together flour, salt, and water to form a dough. Step 2. Roll out the dough and use cookie cutters to cut out festive shapes. Step 3. Bake them in the oven until they're hard. Once cooled, it's time to decorate. Step 4. Use icing and edible glitter to make them sparkle. Now let's create some natural fire starters using pine cones. Perfect for cozy winter nights by the fire. Step 1. Melt your wax in a double boiler. Step 2. Dip each pine cone into the melted wax, making sure it's well coated. Step 3. Roll the wax-coated pine cones in dryer lint for extra ignition power. Step 4. Let them cool completely before storing them away. Let's create some faux snow for that winter wonderland effect. This is perfect for decorating or even as a fun sensory activity for kids. Step 1. Mix equal parts baking soda and shaving cream in a bowl. Step 2. Stir until you get a fluffy snow-like texture. Step 3. Use it to decorate your holiday displays or let the kids play with it. Now let's get creative with our gift wrapping. Instead of traditional wrapping paper, we're going to use old maps for a unique touch. Step 1. Lay your map flat and place your gift in the center. Step 2. Wrap it up securely and tie with twine or ribbon. Step 3. For an extra personal touch, make tags from the map's legend. And there you have it. 5 festive DIY projects that will make your holiday season extra special. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed these hacks, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative ideas throughout the year. Happy holidays, everyone.